Hearts. We are
So you know you're being recorded. Let's
here.
see the EP's hair.
Okay, so she got me a gift. This is
This is
an
actually for Christmas. It is so
unboxing.
advanced, but
Size
she
like
nothing in it.
super light. Okay.
She said she said there's nothing in it.
When you try to take off the tape from your shaving thing, your wax, and take the wax.
Another box. Another box.
Is it really? What is this? Is it a bag? Ow.
It was supposed to be a Christmas gift. Of course, it's gonna be in the box.
Oh, there's a letter. Look at this big thing. This is the only thing that's in the thing. There's a
See,
receipt.
that's like that.
What does it say? What to say? Uh, Merry Christmas, best. XD. Enjoy your latte from Makala Lumbra. Heart, heart. There's nothing inside. Char.
I'm doubting what I get, but now I'm doubting.
Look, look, look. Look, 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 look. I think I'm stupid. Dun, dun, dun.
Hard or soft?
It's green. Why is it green? This is green. This is green. Look. This is green. Squishy. 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 Look. There's more. There's more. But it's squishy shenanigans. It looks like a green strawberry, but it has a handle.
It's supposed to be a coffee base, a latte.
Get a heart, but it's broken right now. I'm actually single. If you're looking for a girl,
This
someone to
episode
be with for
to you
Christmas.
by.
Someone to be with for Christmas. I am free. I am also free of charge. Just so you know, no tax included. Arigato.
Creativity is included. Okay, okay. So it's excusable.
The heart has a space in the middle. Where are you in the other chat? Where are you, Papi? It's green. Squishy. Squishy.
It's the other color for that. That's why.
This is Janine. She's a latte. And she's oh. Anyway.
Reason also, anyways, the reason for that is because she's actually addicted to coffee. That's the reason
Yeah.
why I got it.
So if you wanna win my heart over, like buy me some good ass latte, Tar. but they have a cake. Why didn't you get a burger? And they have a Pop Tart somewhere.
You like Pop Tarts?
Who actually eats Pop Tarts? That's gross. I'm sorry. Like people, that's
I used
disgusting.
to like it.
If you think differently, post a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. But yeah. Arigato ne.
Danshimashite.
That's why it was so light. But that's like 3 years from now, it'll still have the coffee and it hasn't gotten it.
Okay, well that's you. That's you go. That's you go. There you go.
Look
Enjoy.
at her hand though. Shanae is being shaken up. Shanae is gonna throw up.
Look, there's. It's even blushing.
Look at Shanae. Look at Shanae. Oh, that's the ice. Oh, here you go. Then
Janet. Janet.
don't forget to subscribe to our